Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are healthy, fine and staying at home and doing lots and lot of hard work for your studies also. In this video, we will study about the addition of the like fraction and unlike fraction with the two different methods. So let's start our class. Addition of like fraction is very easy. Here denominators are same, 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. Our denominators are same, so we'll write in the answer denominator as 8. And we have to add the numerator now, 3 plus 1, and we'll get here 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 by 8. Now 4 by 8 are divisible by 4, so 8 divided by 4 is 2 and 4 divided by 4 is 1. So we'll get the answer here 1 by 2. Now let's do the same question again, and in spite of the sign of plus, we'll write the sign of minus. That is same again, like fraction, so we write in the denominator here 8, and in spite of plus, now 3 minus 1, we'll get here 2. Now 2 by 8 both are divisible by 2. We write here 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we'll get here 1 by 4. Now let's take another example. Here we have the unlike fraction where denominators are different, 4 and 7, 1 by 4, 1 by 7. So firstly we have to do, we will multiply the denominator. 4 multiply 7, we write the denominator here 28. When we just multiply 4 by 7, we write the denominator 28. After that we have to cross multiply. 1 multiply 7 and 1 multiply by 4. So 1 multiply 7 is 7 and 1 multiply 4 is 4. So we have to add, we'll get here 7 plus 4, 11, and we get 11 by 28. Let's take another example of unlike fraction. Now we add 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. Here we have the unlike fraction, and so we will just multiply the denominators first. 3 multiply 4 is 12. Now cross multiply. 2 multiply 4 is 8 and 1 multiply 3 is 3. Now add 8 plus 3, that is 11. So we get the fraction answer here 11 by 12. Let's take an example of the subtraction of unlike fraction. So here we have the denominators different. So what we have to do, multiply 4 by 3, 12. And now we have to cross multiply. 3 multiply 3, 9 and 1 multiply 4 is 4. Now we subtract this and we'll get 9 minus 4 as 5. So what we'll write here, 5 by 12. That is our answer for this. Now let's take another example for 3 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Again we have the denominators are different. This is unlike fraction. So multiply 5 by 3, that will get 15. Cross multiply. 3 multiply 3 get 9 and 1 multiply 5 is 5. Now we have the sign between plus. So 9 plus 5 is 14. So we will get our answer here 14 by 15. Now start with the adding and subtracting of the fraction by butterfly method. So we have the unlike fraction 4 by 7, 1 by 9. We'll make the butterfly of this. We have to just take a circle of 4 and 9 and 1 and 7. So we have the wings over here. So when we multiply 4 with 9, we get 36. And 1 multiply 7, we write here 7. And down, we will just multiply 7 by 9, we'll get here 7 9s are 63. So up we have to add 36 plus 7, it will be 43. And denominator 63. So we get the answer 43 by 63. Now let's do the same with another example of unlike fraction. We have the new fractions now that are unlike 5 by 8 and 2 by 7. Here we have to subtract. So again we will just, what we will do, we'll make the butterfly of this fraction by making the circle of 5 and 7 and 2 and 8. When we multiply 5 by 7, we get here 35. And multiply 8 by 2, we get here 16. In between the sign of minus. Now we have to multiply 8 by 7. We write here 56. Now we have to subtract 16 from 35. So 35 minus 16, what we'll get here? We write over here 15 minus 6, 9 and 1, 19, and down denominator is 56. So we'll get our answer here 19 by 56. So this is the subtraction of unlike fraction. Any method you can choose to do this subtraction.